Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports 0 GPS and that only way is up to date. This avoids mismatches. Next, enable airplane mode to stop cellular location leaks, then turn on Bluetooth and any local sensors the system requires. Once done, open Only Way and pick the 0 GPS profile. That initiates the guided calibration sequence. You're now ready to perform the first short calibration run to establish a clean positional baseline before moving to continuous use. Now you execute the detailed calibration routine. Walk slowly in a straight line for the specified distance, make controlled 90-degree turns, and hold still when prompted so inertial sensors can stabilize. Make sure to watch the sensor feedback bars. Green shows stability and progress. Red means repeat that segment. While moving, tag visible landmarks to anchor virtual waypoints. This helps the 0 GPS algorithm reconcile drift. Once all segments report stability, the system compiles the baseline map and moves to refinement. To finish, run a short validation loop by retracing a known route. This confirms positional accuracy in real conditions. If you see errors larger than 3 to 5 meters, redo the calibration and double-check sensor permissions, device mounting, and magnetic interference sources. Make sure to export diagnostics and logs from Only Way before major changes. They speed up deeper troubleshooting. If troubleshooting fails, reset the profile and repeat the entire calibration from the first step to ensure a clean baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.